and take test. We are bringing back one of our most sought after current affairs program, 75 cross 75 targeting civil service exams. Spend 75 minutes for 75 days with me and control current affairs exams for prelims 2025. I'll be giving you a video in every class. Watch the video. I'll be giving you a study material, revise the material. In every class, I will give you a test. So you are going to watch and you are going to revise the material what I'm giving and you take test. This program will be highly useful for freshers, working professionals and also repeaters who want clarity on the current affairs topics. I'm teaching current affairs for past 10 years. Through 75 cross 75, every year we are able to reflect easily good number of questions in prelims. For instance, in 2024 prelims, we were able to reflect 20 questions. See, that reflections, you can see it for yourself. You can visit our website or click the link given in the description to know more about the questions which got reflected from our program. So this program is not just about current affairs. We will discuss current affairs in detail. From May 2024, we will be discussing current affairs easily. We will be covering 1000 plus topics in this program. But along with this current affairs topics, I will be giving you a static linkage for every current affair topic wherever possible. See, every year, current affairs and current affairs linked static areas. From these areas alone, we will be getting at least 60 questions on an average. So UPSC, they take inspiration from current affairs and they set static questions. So in every topic which I discuss, I will be discussing current affairs in detail and I will give you a static linkage as well so that you are able to have a comfortable advantage in the 60 questions. Not just that. I will be discussing economic concepts in details wherever required. Economy is one area where every student they struggle to have complete control and clarity. And every year, economic questions are largely based on current affairs and economic survey and budget. So we will be discussing economic current affairs along with basics in detail. Economic survey, I will be discussing chapter wise so that you have complete control over the basics of economics through survey as well. And of course, budget, it goes without saying, we will be discussing budget in detail as well. The program starts from 15th of December. Every week you'll have 3 classes. So every week, Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. I will be uploading a video. So in every class, I'll be giving you a video, I'll be giving you a material and I will be giving you a MCQ based test as well. This will give you a holistic understanding on current affairs. Along with this, I'll be giving you a study planner from December 15th. Starting from December 15th, I'll give you a daily study planner. I will guide you every day what static to study, what current affairs to study, right? You follow the planner, follow my course, get an awareness about the probable static areas, get clarity on economic concepts as well. And our mission is not just about clearing current affairs, our mission is about clearing prelims 2025 comfortably. Any doubts, you can reach the number given here. You can visit our website for more information about the program. So see you in the program. Bye. Take care.